Okay, so we're going to talk about compound sentences.
A compound sentence is made up of two simple sentences joined by a coordinating conjunction.
Okay, thank you. So, a compound sentence is made up of two simple sentences joined by a coordinating conjunction. And remember, our simple sentences are just we have one subject and one predicate. Okay, that tells a complete thought. That is a simple sentence. But a compound sentence is made up of two of those and a coordinating conjunction. Lily, can you read our examples of coordinating conjunctions?
Yes.
Read them for us.
Kara entered the library and she started looking for books about snakes.
All right, listen to the question or to the directions. Read the examples of the coordinating conjunctions.
And
what's another one? Here?
Yes, and, but,
Okay.
or, and so.
Okay, and, but, or, so. Those are some examples of coordinating conjunctions. Okay, and what do we use before the conjunction? Chimai? It says it right on the screen. Can you see the screen?
Nope.
Why not?
Don't know.
Do you see my screen that says compound sentences?
A comma is used before the.
What do we use before a conjunction in a compound sentence?
A comma.
Yes, we use a comma before a coordinating conjunction. So let's look at our example sentence here. It says, Kara entered the library and she started looking for books about snakes. So how many simple sentences, James, do we see in this compound sentence? Kara entered the library and she started looking for books about snakes.
And
How many simple sentences do you see in this one sentence?
two.
Two. What's our first one?
Kara entered the library.
And what's our second one?
He started looking for books about snakes.
Okay, good job. So each of these sentences has one subject and one predicate. So Kara is our subject for the first one. She is our subject for the second one. And our predicates are entered the library and started looking for books about snakes. So two simple sentences. Okay, thank you, James. Sky, do you see a coordinating conjunction in between these two simple sentences? Sky, you have to unmute yourself. What is our coordinating conjunction in between these two simple sentences? Remember, our coordinating conjunctions are words like and, but, or, so. Do you see one of those in this sentence?
And.
Okay, we see the word and. Okay, and before our coordinating conjunction, what do we have, Hen?
We use a comma.
We use a comma. Okay, so let's do some examples. So as we are writing our compound sentence, think of, is a sentence made up of two simple sentences? Is one word a coordinating conjunction with a comma before it? So we need to check all of these things when we're writing our sentences so we know if we need a comma or not. All right, so let's look at these three sentences. I went to the store. I bought candy. I went to the store and I bought candy. Mid A, what kind of sentence is I went to the store?
The first sentence is the simple sentence.
Yes, I went to the store is a simple sentence. What's my subject here, Mid A?
The subject is I.
And what is our predicate?
Went to the store.
Okay, so went to the store is our predicate. Good job. All right, let's look at our next sentence. I bought candy. So who can tell me what kind of sentence is this second one? Feng Tao? Is it a simple sentence or a compound sentence?
A simple sentence.
Okay, it is a simple sentence. And what is our subject here?
The subject is I.
I. And what is the predicate in that sentence?
Predicate is brought candy.
Bought candy. Okay, so now we have our sentence. I went to the store and I bought candy. Elsa, what kind of sentence is this? I went to the store. Yes, thank you. It is a compound sentence. We have our two subjects from the previous simple sentences. I, and then we have our two predicates. Went to the store, bought candy. All right. P, what's our coordinating conjunction here? P, are you there?
Yes.
What's our coordinating conjunction here?
And
And do we have a comma?
no.
Really? Check again. Do we
Yes.
have a comma? Yes, we
Yes.
do. Okay, so we need to check for all these things. Two simple sentences, coordinating conjunction, and a comma. Okay, easy, right? Does anyone have any questions about this? All right, let's look at some more examples. So we're going to underline the simple sentence in each compound sentence. Circle the comma and then circle the coordinating conjunction. So Kara found the book she needed, but she didn't want to sit near Mr. Winston. Tuelam, can you tell me the two simple sentences in our compound sentence here, please?
Kara found the book she needed.
All right, and our second one?
She didn't want to sit near Mr. Winston.
Okay. And what is our our coordinating conjunction?
But
But. And do we have a comma?
yes.
Yes. Good job. All right, Dino, can you do the next one? She took the book to a table near the window, and she put the box with her snake in front of her. What are our two simple sentences? Kent, you have to unmute yourself, please. Bill, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, tell me my two simple sentences.
He took the book to a table near the window.
And our second one?
She put the book box with her snake in front of her.
Good job. And what's our
Lisa.
coordinating conjunction? Yes, Kent, wait, you can do the next one. Bill, what's our coordinating conjunction?
And.
And do you see a comma?
Yes.
Yes. All right. She could have put the box on the floor, or she could have put it on the seat next to her. Kent, what are our two simple sentences?
Yeah, I am here.
Yes, tell me. Tell me the two simple sentences, please.
She could have put the box on the floor, and she could have put it on the seat next to her.
Okay. She could have put the box on the floor. She could have put it on the seat next to her. And what is our coordinating conjunction? Or do you see a comma?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good job, Kent. All right, Jon Snow. Number 4, please. Kara wanted to find out what kind of snake she had, so she looked in a lot of books. What are our two simple sentences?
Clara wanted to find out what kind of snake she had, and she looked in the book in a lot of books.
Okay, good job. And what is our coordinating conjunction, Jon Snow? Jon Snow, you're not finished. What's our coordinating conjunction?
Or.
Jon Snow, you're not finished.
No.
And do you see a comma?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we have our two simple sentences, coordinating conjunction, and a comma. All right, number 5. Ming Chao, this is going to be you. She thought she might have a python, but she discovered her snake was some other kind. What are our two simple sentences?
She thought she might have a python,
Okay.
and she discovered her snake was some other kind.
Okay, and what's our coordinating conjunction?
But
And do we have a comma here?
and a comma.
Okay, good job. All right, so these are our compound sentences in different colors to show you the different parts.
Okay.
Does anyone have questions about compound sentences? Should be pretty easy, right? We've done this a few times before. Yeah? Okay. So now we need to talk about complex sentences. Minnie, can you read about complex sentences to us?
Okay.
Just the first part, please.
A complex sentence is made up of a simple sentence and a
Dependent.
dependent clause joined by a subordination conjunction.
Okay, so we have lots of big words here. So we have a complex sentence is made up of a simple sentence and a dependent clause joined by a subordinating conjunction. So let's talk about what these different things mean. So we have a complex sentence, dependent clause, and subordinating conjunction. So who can read us the examples of our subordinating conjunctions? Richard.
Because she said the box was empty.
Nope, listen. Do you see this part right here that tells the subordinating conjunctions?
Subordination conjunction includes because, although, until, if, and since.
Okay, so we have because, although, until, if, and since. These are subordinating conjunctions. Okay, so it says, do not use a comma if the subordinating conjunction is in the middle of the sentence. So let's look at our example and see if we can figure out. So it says, Kara thought nothing would happen because she said the box was empty. So looking at our first part, Kara thought nothing would happen. That is a simple sentence. My Ang, can that sentence stand by itself? Can it be a sentence on its own? The first part, Kara thought nothing would happen.
No.
Yes.
So Kara thought nothing would happen. Could that be a sentence by itself?
Yes.
Yes, it can. It tells a complete thought, right? So that is our simple sentence. Okay, and then we have because she said the box was empty. Sky, can that be a sentence by itself?
No.
No, it cannot. Okay, it does. Thank you, Sky. It does not tell a complete thought. Okay, so we have our simple sentence. Kara thought nothing would happen. And then we have because she said the box was empty. That is a dependent clause because it cannot be a sentence by itself. It depends on the simple sentence before it. And what is our subordinating conjunction, James?
Because
Mm-hmm. Can you say it again louder?
because
Because. Okay, so our subordinating conjunction is because. Our dependent clause is the one that cannot be by itself, and that is because she said the box was empty. And our simple sentence is the part that can be by itself. Okay, let's look at our other example on the next page. I am not cleaning the kitchen unless Peter helps. So which part of this sentence is a simple sentence, Pizza? Which part can stand by itself?
I am not cleaning the kitchen.
Okay, I am not cleaning the kitchen is our simple sentence. It can be a sentence by itself. Okay. B, what's our subordinating conjunction here? What's our subordinating conjunction, B?
Unless.
Unless. Good job. Is our subordinating conjunction. And Lily, what is our dependent clause? Peter helps. Can that be a sentence by itself?
no.
Yes, it can. Does it have a subject?
Yes, but
Does it have a predicate?
yes.
So can that be a sentence by itself?
Yes, it can
So
be.
I need the full dependent clause. What is our subordinating conjunction?
Unless
Mhm. And then the rest of it. Unless, and then keep going.
Peter helps.
Okay, so our full dependent clause is unless Peter helps. Okay, so with the word unless, that cannot be a sentence by itself. Okay, so dependent clauses start with subordinating conjunctions. Okay, now let's look at the same sentence written in a different way. Unless Peter helps, I am not cleaning the kitchen. Chimai, what is our simple sentence here? What is our simple sentence here?
I am not cleaning the kitchen.
I am not cleaning the kitchen. Okay, good job. What is our subordinating conjunction, Mitzi?
Unless.
Unless. Good job. And Bill, what is our dependent clause? Meng, what is our dependent clause here? No, that's part of our simple sentence. What's our dependent clause? The part of the sentence that cannot stand by itself. Remember what we said earlier, Peter helps. Can that be a sentence by itself?
No.
We have our subject, Peter, and our predicate helps. Remember, our dependent clauses start with a subordinate conjunction. So read the full dependent clause, please.
Unless Peter helps.
Yes, our dependent clause is unless Peter helps. Okay, I'm gonna end the meeting and then we're gonna rejoin. Okay, so I have, let's see how many people we have.